people of Kalangut area. They were from different segments of life. Some were shack owners, some were running the restaurants, some were hotels. Many of them were residents of Kalangut area. So I just inquired about how the police has been working as far as the local law and order and security is concerned. So most of them had very good words and praises for the local police. There were some issues, some 2-3 issues which we will sort it out. I will discuss with SDP and PA Kalangut and we will find out a solution. So recently there have been some issues about some extortion racket going on in Kalangut area, and there are so many illegal activities happening. People have raised in the social media platform, but we didn't receive any complaint. I thought like directly I should interact with the people to if there was any issues regarding this, but nobody has raised any concerns regarding this. I have passed on my number to majority of them, and I have asked them if you have any issues which have to be discussed one-on-one, they are free to come to my office and we will try to find a solution. The other areas which they wanted to stress upon was to increase the police presence at nights. There were some issues of beggars, and main issue is the loud music, which I have given instructions to PI and SDPO that there should not be any loud music after 10 o'clock. There is a High Court direction, and if at all anybody is playing music, it should be indoor and it should not be disturbing the local area or neighborhood.
So as we know how Goa Police is working hard in and out, but Hyderabad Commissioner CV is saying that he has been helpless to seek help from the Goa Police. What about your comment on
that? If you clearly go by statistics, as SP North Goa and Crime Branch, I can tell you there have been 25 instances in which we have given immediate help to the police or other state police organizations. Maharashtra Police, Karnataka Police, even Telangana Police, Hyderabad Cyber Crime Police and Hyderabad Police have come to us and we have helped them immediately. So whenever they approach us through proper official channels, we immediately give them support. So not only Hyderabad Police, I am telling you there have been 25 instances. This is only about North District and Crime Branch I am talking about. Other than that, South Goa District, Anti-Narcotics, they all help whenever other police organizations come for help. Recently, murder cases from Kerala, some cheating cases from Karnataka, and even narcotics cases in which the accused was found to be present in Goa, we immediately give them support and we immediately nab the accused. So I think the allegations by Hyderabad Police cannot be substantiated. Whenever Hyderabad Police approaches us, even recently, if you remember, there was an extortion case in which Crime Branch had arrested and handed over it to the Hyderabad Police. Hyderabad Police themselves had come, a sub-inspector had come, and he asked us help immediately. We formed a team and we arrested the people and we nabbed the people and we handed over it to them. So we have been giving full cooperation. In fact, the allegations like we are not available on phone is also wrong. Our DGP sir is one officer who is always available on phone 24/7. Whenever anybody calls, irrespective of whether it's an officer or anybody, he immediately responds, or if he is in any meeting, he responds. I have noticed myself personally, he immediately messages back saying that I am in a meeting and I will call back, and he makes sure that he called back to that. So those allegations cannot be substantiated.